Namaskaram. We will continue with sample questions from text files. Word processing. Question. Write a method or function is to up count in Python to read contents from a text file writer.txt to count and display the occurrence of the word is or to or up. This question is from CBSE 2019 question paper. Example is also given. If the content of the file is like this, the function should display like this. See the answer. Function is to up count. A variable count is initialized for counting. Then open the file writer.txt. Then read the content of the file using read function, and the resultant string is stored in variable content. Then split the string into words. Resultant list is stored in variable words. Then a loop to traverse through the list. For w in words, w is the loop variable, and in each iteration one element from that list, that is one word, is stored in variable w. Then check if that word is or to or up. See, here you have to specify w equal to in each comparison. W equal to is, again you have to give w equal to 2. Okay. Then if it is to or up, increment the count. Okay. Then outside the for loop, print the count. Count of is to and up is count. At last close the file. Clear? See, here we have checked only uppercase is to and up. And if it is specified in the question like this, do not consider case. Then you have to use w dot upper function in all these comparisons, just like what we have used in previous programs. Okay. Next question. Write a function count which counts and display the number of me or my words present in a text file diary.txt. See, here nothing is specified about the case, but they have given an example. If the file diary.txt content is as follows, the output of the function should be like this. Count of me or my in file 4. See the content of the file. How many words are there, my or me? This one my, then 2 me here, then 3 my, then fourth one is me. It is in lower case, isn't it? So from this example we have to understand we need to do case insensitive counting. Okay. Then only you will get the output as 4. So don't skip the example given with the question. Everything is same as our last program. Here I have given if word dot lower equal to me. The function lower will give the lowercase equivalent of the word which is stored in variable word. Then that is compared with lowercase me. Same here also. Convert to lowercase and compare. If it is me or my, increment the count. Then outside the for loop, that is in same indentation of the for loop, print the count. Okay. Next question. Write a function to count the words this and these present in a text file article.txt. See, here the question is count this and these. So we need to count this and these separately. In our last question it was given as me or my. Here it is this and this. Function count. Open the file. Read the content. Split into words. Then we need two variables for counting. One for this and one for these. Traverse through the list for word in words. Then select each word from words list using for loop. Then checking if word equal to this. If it is this, increment count 1. If word equal to this. That is, if it is not this, check whether the word is equal to these. If it is this, increment the second variable. Here also if case is not considered, you have to give word dot lower equal to this. Then at last print the number of this which is in CNT1 and number of this which is in CNT2. So if the question is this and these, you have to count separately. And if the question is this or this, you can use or operator in the same if statement and find the total count. That is total count of this and this. If you feel any confusion at the time of examination, you can find the count like this and at last print total count of this and this CNT1 plus CNT2. Okay. Then separate count will be displayed and also total count. Clear? Next question. Write a function display to read the content of a text file delhi.txt and display those words which are starting either with D or with M. Function display. Open the file. Open in read mode. Then read the content of the file. F.read. Result is stored in variable S. Then split the file content which is stored in variable S into words. S is a string. So we can use split function. Split. Then traverse through the list for W in words. Then the question is to display those words which are starting either with D or with M. How to get the starting letter of a word? If it is W, W of 0, right? If W of 0, that is the first letter, if it is equal to D, or again you have to give W of 0 equal to M. Okay? If it is equal, display the word. Here no counting, just display. Print W. Then close the file. Then if case is not considered, then we have to give W of 0 dot upper function. If uppercase equivalent of the first character is D or M. Okay, we have discussed some of the questions from word processing. In all the questions you can see this much portion is same. That is, open the file, then read, then split into words. After that, process according to the question. Then if the question is read the content of a text file line by line, then we cannot use read function. Read function will read the entire content of the file as it is, not line by line. How to do line processing questions we will discuss in next class. Thank you.